So folks, if you saw the service job to this previously serviced one which we did 10 years ago, the customer wanted to buy one of these, so I said, well, we've got one in stock, we'll sell it you. So it's the only Harvard 404 we've got. We've got 3 Harvard 407s, and really I could do with shedding 2 of those. I've only ever seen 2 of these. This is one of them, and it is absolutely fantastic performance. Full 4 watt output, and the receiver is 0.21 microvolts for 12 decibel SINAD. Uses the Cybernet 002F chassis, and these are made in Japan and work great. So here we go. Change channel. Tango 21 test.
21, Mr. Chippie in position.
Roger on that. I'm ready. Off you go.
Need to plug a speaker in?
Yes, I will. I'll just do that.
So let me know when you're ready.
So we're still going to go to the extension speaker just like we normally would do, just so we always get the same sound. Especially if I can find the socket. Is it that one? Nope. That's PA. Right, I'm ready.
Roger, off we go.
Roger.
Oh, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that. And on this radio, there's no tone control.
Roger. Right, we're coming up to the end of the lane.
Roger got you at the end of the lane.
Roger.
Service station, and it's closed.
Well, I don't know.
Well, I do.
I shall go open till 7.
Yeah, officially it's 7, so you know it's no surprise they are closed. And it's, you know, once it gets to winter, it's dark. They do close on time, whereas you know in summer they tend to hang about for a bit.
Roger.
Right, we're now square-wheeled Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger on that.
Right, we're now passing through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you going through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger. Passing the top of the hill as we go down in towards Wilsford.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
Roger. now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm in a...
Tango 21 from the Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford. Over.
Roger, got you loud and clear, going around Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm in a
Harvard H404 base station from 1982, and it's doing a 441 output. I'm on standard replacement mic, over.
Yep, roger that. All received, no problems.
Your information, I use the Cybernet 002 F-shot, you like the Mustang, and the real Amstrad.
Roger that, but no blue.
No, it should be there on the board, but not populated.
Roger. Passing the Greyleys turn. Over.
Roger, got you at the Greyleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr. Chippie. We're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point on this Harvard H404 base station, which is the same as an H407, but it's cosmetically different. It's doing a 441 output. I'm on a standard replacement mic. We'll go to low power. Low power is preset on these, and it's 310 milliwatts. If I find the little switch, we'll go to low power. 54321. Now we're on low power doing 310 milliwatts. Now we'll go back to full power, and there we are back on full power, over.
Yep, roger that, no problems on full power, no problems on low power, just a bit noisier.
Absolutely great, super duper, off you go when you're ready.
Roger. Alright, we're on the move again.
Roger, Roger.
from Mr. Chippie. We're now going over raw speed level crossing. Over. Yep, 137.9, 144.7.
Roger on that, oh, it's absolutely great, thank you.
Roger that, 10-10.
Okay. 21 from Mr. Chippie, we're now going over raw speed level crossing. Over.
Roger got you going over raw speed level crossing. It seems a bit quieter today on the radio. And we have, what have you got a petrol price for me? That's end today, please, over.
Yep, 137.9, 144.7.
Roger on that, oh, absolutely great, thank you.
Roger that, 10-10.
10-10. Right, we can't ask more than that, and we'll receive at 0.21 microvolts. We'll go into our base station, see what it sounds like on that standard replacement mic. The customer's going to get one exactly the same with this radio. The original mics were the same as the ones which came with the Mustangs, which have kind of got the squares in the grill. I haven't got one to show you, but they would be the original ones.
Tango 21, testing the H404 into our Midland 76900 base station. Testing 12345 54321. We'll go on to the low power as a home test. These sets down some, especially when the plant light's just been rebuilt. Here we go, 54321. There we are on low power, doing 310 milliwatt back to full power. There we are back on full power. So I do know we've got a deviation meter, hobby one to fix. So I don't know what we're doing tonight. Thanks for watching the Harvard H404.